guys, if you're just starting out with nature sketching, one of the best places to begin is with trees. Today, we're going to create a few simple but effective tree sketches together. If you'd like to draw along with me, it's really easy. Whenever I finish a tree sketch, just pause the video and start drawing the same one yourself. That way we can progress step by step. First, I'll start the middle tree sketch using my 0.2 Fineliner pen. Okay, our first tree is done. How does it look? Do you like it? I really hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Now, let's continue with the middle tree. While I'm drawing, you might wonder what's going through my mind. Let's go through it together. The very first thing I think about is determining where the light is coming from. This is one of the most important parts of any tree sketch. The areas on the opposite side of the light should always be darker. Watch carefully how I create the shading. I always start with the darkest areas first. This helps me see the light more clearly. I add the dark tones gradually and with control. Darkening everything at once usually doesn't work well. It can make the sketch look muddy or wrong. That's why I stay very gentle and careful. For the light to develop properly and create a nice sense of depth, it's essential to work slowly and in layers. Rushing it rarely gives good results. For example, I want the leaf clusters in the upper left to look brighter. To achieve that, I draw the overlapping circles larger and with more space between them. We intentionally make the gaps bigger in those areas so they can breathe and catch the light. Finally, I increase the overall contrast a little bit, and with that, our middle tree is complete. Now let's move on to the third tree sketch. I wanted you to watch this part a bit faster, so I'm speeding it up. Please pay special attention to how the light is forming and developing. For the leaves, I'm using the same overlapping circles technique to create texture, but I deliberately leave the areas where the light hits directly more open and lighter. Should we add a few branches too? Yes, I think they'll give the tree more character. Alright, now I'm slowing down a little. While increasing the contrast, I'm trying to better capture the light coming from the upper right. Even though I'm drawing lines in one general direction, I actually use zigzag movements to build up the darkness. This small change helps give the sketch a more organic feel. A little more and a little more. Now let's gently touch the tree trunk as well. I'm drawing very slowly and carefully. I need to think about every stroke. Actually, many people notice that their tree sketches look a bit artificial at the beginning. During the final part, I'll show you on the leftmost tree how I transform that artificial look into something much more natural. Yes, let's start working on the natural appearance now. First, we add some loose scribbles and lines in the empty spaces around the outer edges of the tree. These lines don't have to connect to the tree. In fact, having them stand a bit independently creates a nicer, more natural effect. Don't some of the empty spaces look too symmetrical and regular? To break that symmetry, I add a few more light lines using the same loose approach. This makes the eye feel much more comfortable. Now it's time for the brush pen. While increasing the contrast, I also use the brush pen to bring out the natural feeling. We always talk about light and dark, right? Right until the very end, I stay true to the principles of light and shadow. At the same time, I keep adding natural strokes, small details, and textures with the brush. What do you think? After these final touches, does it look better? You can draw all 3 of these trees, or just your favorite one, and send them to me by email. I'll share my email address below. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed it, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really motivates me to create more content like this. Also, feel free to leave a comment and share your feedback with me, whether it's what you liked, where you struggled, or any suggestions. Your thoughts mean a lot to me. Until next time, take good care of yourselves and keep sketching a lot. Best regards and happy drawing.